Hey guys, welcome to Harry's Garage. I'm Glenn. In this episode, we will continue on the K24. Stay tuned. If you are tuning in for the first time, guys, this is a K24 out of an Odyssey. I got it. It didn't have all of the intake manifold on it. So, a little bit of water got in, which we've cleaned up. But as you can see, it's not the best. So, you may have a little bit of an issue. This episode, we're going to take the sump off. I'm going to take it off like this and then rotate it. And we'll get the pistons out today. Alrighty guys. Gonna get sump off. Hopefully. A little bit more to this than taking the sump off. Alright guys, if you know Hondas, I have to take this off. But I've got it connected on the engine stand. Oh, just to that one. So I should be able to take that out. It should be okay. Got 3 points still on there. Be able to get that bottom part of the bell housing off. Sorry about the light, guys. That part off, then we'll be able to get the sump off. Alrighty guys, I'm actually going to chuck some cardboard underneath and actually rotate it. So if any oil comes out, that's fine. Yeah, just working under the engine and needing to get one of these off. Yeah, don't want it to fall on me, so doing the smart thing, I'll rotate it and just clean up around here. Anything that has that much oil in it. Just know that the water didn't get everywhere because you can see we've actually got different coloured oil. So it didn't get everywhere. Alrighty guys, I really need to get the oil pans, drainage pans. Anywho, get these off and continue on. Anybody watching wants to sponsor this build, I guess? You want to maybe send out a flywheel and clutch for K24? That'd be awesome. What? Did I just say it was going manual? Never seen in here before. Caramel. The kiwi. Is that kiwi? Just going to turn. Just turning. There we go. Hey. I crack this, I'll show you. Look at this. It's funny. Alright, this bolt I just undid. Look at the colour of it. This one, look at the colour of it. I know, because it was on a bit of a tilt, but after cracking these two, getting this weird smell. Nope. It might have been because there was air stuck in the bottom of the shaft, but yeah. Let's get this off. Put that where it belongs, in the pan. What's that? Is that a moth? That's a moth. That's on. No, it's on the front side. How the hell did it get in there? I know, we're doing it. No. But that's all I find. Alrighty. Get the baffle off. Well, there's two baffles. So that means another bag. Also guys, if you haven't seen yesterday's, well I recorded it yesterday, but Tuesday's video, click the link up there. That'll be the head coming off, so all the VTEC stuff and whatnot. So check that out if you haven't. You always click it at the end. I'll put it at the end as well. Alright, let's get another bag. We'll do the baffle. We've got the oil pump. I'm going to chuck it in with the sun. It's dirty, but whatevs. It's in a bag. It's all together. Some apples. Hit that like button guys if you enjoy this content. If you like me tearing down engines, hey, might not even put them back together, but you get to see the inside of an engine. That I can leave. That front engine mount needs to go. Holy shit. Alrighty guys, a little bit of a predicament here. The way that I've put it on the engine stand, this won't reach anymore because it was on that lower part. So I've got 3 points on there at the moment. This one here is on the piece that holds the crankshaft in. So this whole section. That's the predicament. Nah. Question. Should I take the crank out? Should I just take the rods off so I can get the pistons out? And that's it. Right, give it a good clean out as much as I can with it like this, or fully strip it down. I can get all this stuff off the side as well, but just leave this section and the crank. Comment down below guys. Also I'll do a playlist as well guys. Already started one on the first one. If you want to have a look at the whole engine getting torn down, can go check that out.